So for the longest time, I only saw screen pinning as a way of securing your Android device. Like, say you want to hand over your phone to someone so they could use a particular app. Well, you could pin that app to the phone, and even if they tried, they will not be able to leave the app unless they unlock the phone. I have videos that talk about screen pinning, but recently I started playing this game, my friend Pedro. It's a really cool game. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to try it out. I know it's an old game, but I just recently found it. And while playing the game, I'll always accidentally swipe and show the navigation bar, and then maybe tap on the home button or the reset button, and I'll destroy my gaming. So I felt like there should be a way to fix this, and I thought about using the screen pinning feature. I activated it, and now I play the game without accidentally leaving the game. So with screen pinning activated, you can also make sure phone calls will not interrupt your gaming, especially if you put your phone on maybe silent or vibration. But if you have a ringtone enabled, then if people call you, the phone is going to ring, but it's not going to interrupt the game. It's just going to show you a notification that you have a phone call, but it's going to ring anyways. So that's basically all I have to say about screen pinning. Now I'm going to show you guys how it works on your Android device. Alright, so here we are on my Android device, and to activate screen pinning, all you have to do is just swipe your notification panel down and then tap this gear icon. Next, you want to hit the search bar and search for screen pinning. Then you're going to get the options. So tap on any of them, but this one I will tap on this option, and then I'm going to tap on screen pinning. So yours should definitely be off, so you want to click on this to turn it on. And if you see this option, I'll strongly suggest you also switch it on by clicking on it. And now you have activated screen pinning. So now you go to the app that you want to pin. So for this example, I'm going to be using my music player. I'm just going to open it now, and I can safely exit it by tapping the back button or the home button. But now if I open it and then hit the recent button, so for some phones you have to tap and hold the center of this interface on the app you want to activate the screen pinning on. But for my device, I just need to tap here and then tap this pin button, and this message is going to show up to tell me how to exit it, and I'll just click on this to confirm. Now if I tap on the home button, I will not be able to leave the app. As you can see, I'm tapping on them and I'm not able to leave. If I lock and unlock the device, I'll still be here. I'll not be able to leave. So if this was a game, I will not be able to leave the game even if I accidentally tapped on the home button or the back button. So if I receive a phone call right now, if my phone is on silent or vibration, I'll just see a notification up here that tells me that I have a phone call. So after you're done and you want to finally exit the app, you can tap and hold the recent button, this button, as well as the back button at the same time. So that's what I'm going to do now. So as you can see, the phone just locked itself, and I have to just use my fingerprint or my pattern to unlock the phone. And now I can safely exit the app, and yeah, that's all. Like I said, you can use this feature for security purposes. Like, let's say someone wants to just see the kind of songs you have on your phone, you can pin your music player to the phone so they don't go snooping around and checking out your text messages and other things. Here's a video that talks about 5 security tips that you should try on your Android device, and screen pinning is one of them. So technically you're going to get 4, but they are still very good security tips. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Stay safe and bye bye.